woke up breathing and that's a gift. The coffee's warm, the morning lifts the little things I overlook. I love notes written in your book. I almost missed it rushing by. The sacred hiding in the ordinary life. Thank you for the light that finds me every single day. Thank you for the night that teaches me to pray. For the hands that hold me when I break. For the love that never comes too late. Thank you for the light. I'm grateful, I'm amazed. A stranger's smile, a robin's song, a friend who knew to come along. You're woven into every thread of every word I've left unsaid. I almost missed you in the breeze, but you were there in all of these. Thank you for the light that finds me every single day. Thank you for the night that teaches me to pray. For the hands that hold me when I break. For the love that never comes too late. Thank you for the light. I'm grateful, I'm amazed. For the mountains and the mundane. For the sunshine and the rain. For the breath inside my lungs. For the grace in what's to come. Every moment is a mercy. Every heartbeat is a hymn. And I just want to say thank you again and again and again. Thank you. Thank you for